How to use Truecaller. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, Truecaller, let me tell you about Truecaller. Truecaller is an application that will help you detect fake calls and then block them. You can also find the people that are associated with the unknown numbers that call you or that you get the call from. So, how to use it? Let's get started. First, open your Play Store or your App Store and then simply search for Truecaller. After finding the app, simply install it in your device. So, this is the one that you would be looking for. Then, after installing, simply open it. Select the language of your choice and then tap on Get Started. Give all these permissions like calls, contacts, and messages, and then tap on Continue. After that, tap on Allow to access your contacts and make and manage phone call and then SMS. Wait for it to lead you to a login page where you will have to enter your phone number and then log in to Truecaller. After that, Truecaller will give you information about all the people that will call you and text you. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.